In this video, we are going to talk about this hand wrist BP monitor, which is a little bit viral over internet, and it comes with a case, as you can see at here, and it also comes with this charger which you can put in the dock and then put it in the device in order to charge it. So if I open this and show you, it comes in this format, as you can see here, and there are few instructions at here exactly on how you need to put this BP monitor in your hand, I mean in wrist, and then measure your blood pressure. So let me open it and show you. It looks like this. It is a little bit curvy at here, and here you can see there are few buttons. I am also going to show you few things that you need to understand if you are thinking to purchase this product. So here you can see the on and off. You just need to click on this, turn this on, and then put it in your wrist. It is very simple to put it. As you can see here, you can simply place it in this way, and you need to attach this. There is, you can fit it like this. No, it is opposite. So let me put it in this way. So exactly in this way you need to put it. Okay, and now you should not place it right in the table or any surface. Okay, you need to move it a little bit up in your heart level, and then just press here, and your blood pressure will be start to record at this device. It may take some time, so let's wait. So it is showing a reading of 91/77, and this may have caused because this is not actually fit in my hand, or maybe if I show you just by resetting it and again putting it back in my hand and again placing it in a little bit right way and then again clicking on here. Now it is showing 117/69. Now I don't think this device exactly shows you the accurate blood pressure. Sometimes it can show a little bit high and sometimes it can show a little bit low, because my blood pressure rating is not in this format. I have already tested it. I wanted to show you, but there are few technical problems due to which I was not able to show you. So if you are thinking to buy this device, it seems very good at first sight, but when you start to measure regularly, you find that this blood pressure monitor doesn't show the accurate rating, and it is highly up and down most of the time. So it is your choice to decide whether you need to purchase this device or not. This much for this video.